Chenro mar winjo bura mathicho oko Gavana ma Kericho Eric Mutai odonjo odiechienge mogik. Senators kod okinde mag od bura ma Kericho kod Gavana Eric Mutai dhi nyime kod goyo kogno joneno motelo ne goyo ombulu mathicho oko Gavana Mutai e apisi. Achiel kuom joneno ma Gavana Mutai onyiso Senet ni ok ogoyo ombulu kata ok odok ne od bura mar kaunti no ma Kericho kendo ni nochwalo nyinge kaka achiel kuom MCAs manogo ombulu mar goro Mutai e apisi.
As a Senate, you were not there. Can you tell us who voted for you, and is there a way you can verify that that person voted for you? Who do you think voted for you? And can you tell us as a Senate, who is this person, so that we can verify that person?
This is the second time I'm repeating because you asked a similar question. And yes, no stamp which County Assembly of Kericho. It was posted by somebody who was inside. The one who is working for Facebook and WhatsApp, it is mine. I didn't deny. But to say that I fought, I never fought. And my peer never fought. And I say the message is here. I can give the evidence by showing the message. MCA has no stamp which say County Assembly of Kericho. This one is showing Kericho County Assembly.